What's up YouTube? It's your girl T Marie, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you this hair. This is a full lace wig from Premium Lace Wigs, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the wig in its natural pattern. It has already been washed and conditioned, and what I like to do is go in with my wild growth and put that all over my scalp to make sure that my hair is moisturized underneath my wig. So I'm going to pin my braids out of the way, and I'm using my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I'm going to put that on the lace inside of the wig. I did not bleach the knots. I feel like I really didn't have to do it, so this is just another method that you can use if you don't want to bleach your knots. And then I'm using powder just to seal the foundation since I did use the liquid. If you use a powder foundation, you can skip that step. So I did already cut off the lace in the back of the wig, and now I'm fitting it on my head. So a lot of YouTubers don't show how you cut off the extra lace behind the ear, so I want to show that to you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my fingers and kind of parting the area right above my ear, and I'm putting clips just to hold the hair out of the way, just so I know where I'm going to cut off that excess lace. All you're going to do from here is use your scissors and literally cut around your ear. If you need to stop and kind of feel the placement of where the lace meets your ear, go ahead and do that. Y'all know I got y'all back with these wig videos. I'm spilling all the tea, so just keep watching. Now, as you can see, when I hold the wig down, it lays perfectly in that area behind my ear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this process on the other side and cut off that excess lace. Now that I have the wig laying down seamlessly, it looks so beautiful, and I haven't even glued it down or anything yet, so kudos. So I'm taking my clips and pushing my hair back. So what I like to do is cut off my lace in the front in 3 separate sections. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and you'll want to cut jaggedly. You don't want to cut straight. It looks weird when you put it on, but yeah. Oh my gosh, what lace? Where is that lace? Y'all, it is gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this next section, which I have in the middle, and do the same exact thing. I'm gonna cut jaggedly, cut that lace right off, and if it helps you better, cut a little bit of lace. You can always go back and cut some more if you need to. If you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload new content. I'm using alcohol to rub down my forehead and my hairline. You want it to be free of any oils because you want your glue to stick. Oh my gosh, you can see the scar from my burn. Why am I using freeze spray? Duh! It is going to act as a barrier for my edges, because baby, we have no snatch edges over here, okay? This is my first time using a glue. So this is the Ghost Bond XL. I ordered this on eBay for like 21 bucks. Very easy to use, takes forever to dry if you don't have a blow dryer, but I'm just putting it along my hairline and using the first thing that I grabbed, which is probably ghetto as hell, but it's a nail filer, it works, whatever. And I'm just gonna spread this over my forehead, let it dry clear, and I'm adding another layer, and I will repeat the process until it dries pretty clear. We want it to be tacky so that way the wig sticks. It is the moment of truth. So I'm starting with the middle part of my wig and I'm laying it down, and then I'm going to go off to the sides. I did notice that the sideburn parts are harder to glue or stick or whatever. I noticed that with any type of adhesive I use, even with the Gots to Be glue. But I'm just gonna lay it down and use my fingers and really rub the lace into the glue. If you have any excess glue that might be on your forehead or along your hairline, just get some alcohol and just rub it away. It comes right off. And I'm gonna take my scarf and tie down my hair. This wig is so laid. You can't tell me this wig is not laid. I love it. I'm using my LA Pro Concealer with a small brush and just going in my hairline just to make sure that it blends very seamlessly with my skin complexion, and I'm just rubbing that in with my fingers. Team Secured Wig All 2018. So I'm using my hot comb. I'm just flattening everything out since it's super wavy and I need this to have some body. So I'm just going in, making sure that all the hairs are in the direction that I please and using some water on those flyaways. I flat iron the hair completely bone straight, and this is how it looks. No tangles, super silky, super soft, looks so natural. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and put some curls and lots of body and volume. So keep watching for the final look. This wig is from PremiumLaceWig.com. I will list all the specifics down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Also, this was not a sponsored video. I did purchase the wig myself, and everything that I'm saying in this video is honest. Y'all know I'm not gonna lie and bullshit you guys about products. I keep it real. So I do want to purchase another wig from Premium Lace Wig. I want you guys to pick what kind of wig that I should wear, long, short, types of hair colors, different textures. Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.